Lesson 8. In this lesson, we are going to talk about the properties of a rhombus and how to apply the properties to solve for unknowns. So let's go back to page number 6. A few lessons ago, we talked about the definition of a parallelogram. It has two pairs of parallel opposite sides. So if you're given a parallelogram already, and now if I change all the four angles to be right angle, it becomes a rectangle, and we have also talked about the properties of it. And now I would like to keep all the four angles unchanged, but I make all the four sides equal. So what does it look like? It becomes a rhombus. So what I want to tell you is, a rhombus is also another special case of parallelogram. So it has all properties of a parallelogram. And more than that, all the sides they are equal, the diagonals perpendicular to each other, and the interior angles they are bisect by the diagonals. That means these four they are equal, and other four they are also equal. So all these they are property of rhombus. So let's take a look to an easy example. In the figure, you can see ABCD is a rhombus, and the diagonals AC, BD intersect at O. Find the unknowns in the figure. So if you refer to the properties on top, you can see A must be 90 because the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. And you know, B for boy, C and D, they must be equal to 30 because these four angles they must be the same. So B, C, D, they are all 30. And if A is 90, C is 30, by using angle sum of triangle, you can find out H. And it equals to 60. And after that, you know G and E and F already, because these four, they must be the same. So if H is 60, G, E, F, they are all 60. Finally, how about X and Y and Z? According to the properties of a rhombus, all the sides are equal. So if AD is 16, that means X and Y, they are also 16. And Z minus 10 is also 16, that means Z will be 26. Boys and girls, this is an easy example for applying properties of rhombus. So I would like to jump to a brief conclusion, because so far we have talked about a number of different parallelograms already. So let's take a look to page number 31. If you have a quadrilateral, so far we talk about a parallelogram. If you find out two pairs of parallel opposite sides, and on top of it, if you find out four interior right angles, it becomes a rectangle. However, if you find out four equal sides, then it will become a rhombus. If you combine rectangle and rhombus together, that means on top of a parallelogram, it has four interior right angles and four equal sides. That is a square. So in the coming few lessons, we will move on to talk about trapezium and also kite. That is a brief conclusion for what quadrilaterals we have learned so far. That's the end for the lesson today. Thank you for watching.